Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to create a new folder on your Mac. It's easier than you think. First things first, you need to navigate to the location where you want your new folder to live. This could be your desktop or anywhere within Finder. Okay, let's dive into the first method. You can highlight all the files you want to include in your new folder. Once they're selected, right-click or access the context menu, and then click on New Folder with selection. It'll even tell you the number of items selected in brackets. From there, just rename the folder to whatever you like. If you open it up, you'll see all your selected files are inside. Method number 2, again, go to your desired location. This time, click on the circle with the 3 dots inside it, usually found in the Finder window. In the drop-down menu that appears, select New Folder. And just like before, you can rename it right away. Moving on to the third way. This one's very similar to the second. Head to the location where you want your folder. Then click on File in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, click New Folder, and, you guessed it, rename it. And finally, the quickest way of all, using keyboard shortcuts. Just press Command plus Shift plus N for November. Boom! A new folder appears, ready for renaming. So there you have it. 4 easy ways to create a new folder on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.